Well, where are we?
We're in Pandora.
Pandora.
We're on Pandora, actually.
We didn't run. We sprint walked. Olympic sport. We're not too bad.
Well, we tend to walk fast anyway.
Right.
Which I think annoys people, but oh well. That's why our vacations are considered death marches.
Yeah.
Because we walk fast and we know where we're going.
Great! Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee.
Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
All right, you ready? Let's get you into the link chamber.
Welcome back.
What'd you think?
Oh, I love that ride.
Yeah. It's fun.
It is fun. You actually feel like you're flying.
Yeah. And falling and all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
All right, now we're
Safari?
Safari. Now, Becky, you take the good with the bad, right? Because what are we doing?
Get on the safari.
Here.
No.
See, here. End of line.
Nope.
And sometimes,
No. No, that's what we saw over there.
yeah, I know.
The safari line.
Just keeps going over. I've never seen it that long. So sometimes you just say, let's go get a coffee.
Let's go get a coffee.
Now it's time for Starbucks. Coffee. Coffee. Okay, now that we got some food and coffee in us and our minds are working, what's the plan?
I think we're going to Dinosaur.
Dinoland. Go to ride Dinosaur.
Yeah.
Maybe play Whack a Dinosaur. Haven't done that in a while. So we'll see. We'll see.
Are you going to make kids scream again by
Oh, I'm going to win
winning,
and I'm going to devastate their lives. And when they start screaming, then I'll give them the toy.
give them the toy?
Hey, show me your eyes.
I can't see.
The big Brontosaurus in from the... Oh, I broke off his tail. Dang, I hate it when that happens. Hey, it's a lizard. It'll grow a new one. The dinosaur ride. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go get us a dinosaur.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
Brace yourself. This is it. They're not going to make it. They're not going to make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does.
We might be doing a little stalking. We'll see. Probably know how it goes. Well, that was exciting. So we got to stop and see This Life. Our heroes on YouTube. All things Disney. We got to stop and talk with them a while. Very nice people. You should follow them.
Absolutely.
It's This Life of Ours, right?
How they appear on YouTube.
Yep.
Exactly.
Yep.
Exactly the same.
So we actually saw they were here and found them and got to say hello. We've been following them a long time, so we highly suggest it. It was quite exciting. Made our day.
Yeah.
Didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you feel like you get to know people and become friends with them in the digital age. Not only digital age, but Rona.
Yeah, Rona.
Yeah, it's always glad to actually meet. Well, Jungle Trek's an hour and a half. Everest is an hour.
Safari.
Or safari, I mean. So
Jungle Trek's
we are going to go do some of the walking things. So right now, we are going to go see the Maharaja Jungle Trek. So let's go look at some animals, Becky. Show this, we can scan a code. Because they don't have the paper maps right now.
There it is.
There it is. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my.
Come here. Let me show you. Come here.
Come over here.
Pretty dark. You can't see them very well, but there they are.
Guessing there's no tigers in here.
Yeah. Although I think this is where they used to be.
Yeah. Since you have a water buffalo in there. Might be a good fight though.
Educational experience.
Yeah. Tiger Forest. We're safe. They said so. They always got these really cool pictures and paintings all over. They do it right.
I love the painting.
I love that bamboo. I can make a cannon out of that and kill a gorn. Much closer.
That's a baby one.
Yeah.
There's little. Little.
Grill Falls Exploration Trail.
Well, then what do you get?
Calabas monkeys. Up there. Got a pair up there. Woohoo! Right?
Huh?
Woohoo!
What are we looking at for?
Oh, there was just some monkeys back there. Oh, there's a bunch here, isn't there?
At the house.
He said he was taking the camera off.
And video on the videographer.
It's not going to happen until the next day.
If Bosco was a gorilla, for sure.
What was it? Had too many pina coladas last night. Where are we?
Tiffins.
Tiffins. Not Tusker House.
No. So I thought the octopus was good, but it didn't. I mean, it has like a little tiny taste, but not like it's not like
Octopus doesn't.
octopus.
No.
It's
You
more
expect
like,
it to be real fishy or
it's
something,
more,
didn't you?
it's like, well, I expect it to be chewier too.
Well, that's what I'm
like
saying. They did
clam,
it perfectly because
you
it's
know?
not rubbery at all.
Yeah. Like, the flop was good though.
Yeah.
I don't think it's something I would like search out. You know, because it has a taste, and it's not like screaming at me. But
It's just super mild
I'm
taste.
not like, I don't know. I don't know if I like really like it.
I mean, it's. So if you had never had calamari other than fried, you might realize they taste very similar. The calamari is usually real
but-
rubbery.
Yeah, but
Because the way it's cooked.
calamari doesn't have that. Maybe it's the sauce.
Oh, that's like a pretty peppery, spiced
Yeah,
hummus kind
and
of
I
thing.
don't know if that's what I'm getting, because it did have a little bit of that on there. And it might
Well,
be, it
you
might-
should have had the octopus ink.
Is that really what that is?
I don't know.
Oh. You do eat that, so I mean, to me, that could be what that is. This is, yeah, it's a house bread.
Yeah, all I heard was molasses.
Perfect.
Oh my, that looks perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get some of this sauce with the couscous. Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Good. Okay, it's the buttered chicken. Let's see if you have
Okay,
the
this
Adam
made-
Hatton
This
effect.
made Adam Hatton cry, so I'm really looking forward to this. I don't think I'll cry, but
Yep. I'm gonna kick him in the shin. Should I go black and white mode? Slow mo?
no, but this is really good. It actually reminded me of that sauce you just gave me, or that curry, or the couscous.
Right.
The butter chicken, actually, the sauce tastes like that. It's very good.
Well, just some thoughts. I got the actual shank out. This is a lot of food. I mean, yes, it was way more than I expected, and yours is a lot of food as well. And it's all delicious, and in this stuff, oh my gosh. Like, to me, the epitome of macaroni and cheese is Kraft. That's what I grew up with. But this lobster and
Yes, he's had a sad, sheltered
macaroni
life.
and oh yeah,
Sad, sheltered life.
we were poor. This Tusker lager is not too bad. Not too bad. It reminds me of a Stella a little bit, like almost it's not a dry beer. It's that. Like, it's almost a little sweet, so it's very pleasurable. I highly recommend the beer. Look at the non-running.
This is awesome. I just hope it's not like so hot that the animals aren't
Well, there's always
like,
that.
mingling. You
When it's
know?
starting to cool off, it's afternoon's coming on. It's when I start out getting active, get deer hunted, you know.
I know. We also saw a lemur sacked up
Yeah, that's true.
and an otter. I mean, it was too hot for an otter who has a big pool.
Empty row, friends, means board the vehicle.
That's the cheater card.
Empty row.
I expect you to get them all right.
Can't even get restaurants right.
And crocodiles can grow to be about 16 feet long, which is almost as tall as a giraffe. And they're ectothermic, so they don't have any sweat glands. So as a way to naturally cool down their body, they're going to open their mouth, and that's going to help them regulate their body temperature. Right now, we are currently entering the largest part of the reserve, which is called the Savannah. So you may recognize a few of the animals that we spot out here, or their names might sound a bit familiar to you guys. And all of the giraffes that are found out here are Maasai giraffes, so they have the more jagged edges to their patterns. Even though they eat majority of the day, that means that they sleep for a very short amount of time. They can sleep for about 30 minutes a day. They can even sleep while standing up, and that is in the event that a predator does come nearby, they can quickly just wake up and run the other direction, run to a safer area. One look at that elephant crossing over. That might actually be one of the male elephants going over to the field that we passed by that was pretty empty. It looks like he's making his way that way because there is a bridge that they can cross over and make it to the other side.
We got on it.
Yep. Let's wait till the end of the day.
That's always a good time.
Yeah.
And you were worried about seeing animal seats that time of the day where they're coming out again.
She said the one she did right before that had no animals.
I know. It's timing. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the trip. So I think we're done, headed out. I just want to give you one last shot of the lack of crowds at 5:46 Eastern.
Bye.
Oh yeah. So
Like,
that's
subscribe.
our day at
Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom. It was exciting.
Yeah.
Got to meet this life. That was probably the highlight.
Yep, it was.
These guys. So anyway, hope you enjoyed our day.
Yep.
Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
That's it. Do you like it?
I did.
Well, what did we decide to do this evening?
Well, we just kind of decided to get an orange ice cream thing at EPCOT, and then we saw that Soarin' had 35-minute wait, so we ran over here.
And we're going to be where? B1.
Did we bring our good cameras?
No, but is this a camera? Yes. Are we going to be able to film anything inside? No. That's all right. B1. All because we wanted some orange ice cream.
Yeah.